Hello everyone and welcome to Happy Streamers. Here we make videos and tutorials to help you out, and today I'm going to be talking about on how to join a Discord server. Now there's two ways of joining a server. First and foremost, if someone sends you an invite link, for example, invite people, and I'm just gonna use this person, invited, right? So what I'm gonna do is go over here. As you can see, this is the channel URL. So as long as you copy this URL and you send it to someone, as you can see, that URL is what the server invite is. So if I was not in the server, for me there would have been a button named join. Now I cannot show that button as of the moment, but instead of joined over here, it would have been written as join. So yeah, that's how you can, and all you want to do is click on that join and you join new Discord server. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.